So this is how you can save WhatsApp audio to the Files app on your iPhone. Let's get started. If it's your first time on Foxtecc, subscribe because that way you will not miss tutorials and videos like this one. So when you go to your WhatsApp chats, you can see there are two ways of sharing audio messages. So there might be like sharing an actual MP3 file or, just recording a voice note, like a voice message, and that gets sent as well. So let me cover both options and how you can save both files to the Files app. First of all, the MP3 file, you can hold down on it. Then you have the ability to click on forward. And in the bottom right corner, you click on a share, right? Because in the left one, you also have like this arrow, but you can forward it to somebody else within WhatsApp. That's cool. But if you want to export it from the app, just click on the share button in the bottom right, and you will have the save to files button right here. So you're going to tap on it, then choose the location within the files, and obviously perform and save it wherever you want. And when it comes to the voice note, like the regular voice message, it's actually very similar, if not the same. You can hold down on it, click on forward, and as well tap on the share button in the bottom right corner, which will make it or give you the ability to save it to the Files app. So actually it's exactly the same no matter which file type for audio you have, but that's how it works. Let me know if you managed to pull it off on your device. Subscribe for upcoming tutorials and videos like this one, and I'll see you later in the next videos. So stay tuned by subscribing, and that way you will not miss anything important.